your house once a week. Yeah, I am. Come for me, Ethan. Cutlets are a staple in my house. Let me show you how to make pork cutlets in minutes on your Blackstone. Cutlets are my go-to for feeding a crowd or my family because you can get so many cutlets out of a piece of meat depending on how you cut it. We start this one off with a pork tenderloin, cut it into sections, and then pound them super thin. It's pretty incredible how many you get out of one piece of pork tenderloin. We've got to get these dredged, so into a bowl, some eggs, some Pecorino Romano cheese, and a little bit of our Tuscan herb seasoning from Blackstone. Mix that together. Now for our dry ingredients, on a baking sheet, I'm dropping down some breadcrumbs that are already seasoned, and they have some cheese in them, which is my favorite way to go. But I'm gonna add to that a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and parsley flakes. Now that we've got our wet and our dry, let's get our pork into our eggs and everything ready to coat into our breadcrumb mixture. To coat them, just pat that breadcrumb mixture onto your cutlets, get them set aside on a piece of parchment paper while we get our Blackstone heated. Drop down some oil, then lay your pork cutlets into that hot oil and let them start to fry, shallow fry on both sides. It only takes a few minutes per side to get that golden, crispy crust on the outside. To let them drain, I'm gonna have them hang out on our Blackstone warming rack, hitting them instantly with some flaky salt, and that's it. It's time to plate these. I go over the top with a little fresh grated cheese and a little bit of fresh parsley. These cutlets are so inexpensive to make, a super good way to feed your family on a budget, which I'm always doing.
I can hear that crunch.
I know, they're so good. They really are. They're so good. Like, I live for cutlets. It's like, I think as an Italian American, cutlets are a staple in your house once a week. Yeah, I am. Come for me, Ethan. These are so crispy on the outside. The pork inside is so juicy. I love the cheese and all of those herbs that we've added, especially that Tuscan herb from Blackstone. This brings me back to my childhood, having cutlets frying every single week. If you don't make cutlets every week, make these or go make my chicken cutlet recipe, which is just like this, using chicken or pork. Either way, you need cutlets at home, so take it, make it. I cannot wait for you guys to taste this one. And don't forget to send me a picture.